I've been signed out. We were just playing fucking randoms, legitly. They being flooded. As you can see, I can't sign in.